Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Cookie. I'm a wife and mom of 4 kids. In this video today, I will be doing a complete laundry room makeover. Our laundry room does not have any organization or aesthetic going on right now, so we're going to take care of that today. And right now, I would love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I know that you will, guys, if you please stick around to the end. Also, turn on your notification bell. I'll be giving a lot of cleaning motivation and decorating inspiration very soon, guys. Yeah, so let's jump into this makeover.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
So right here, I'm just replacing these regular light bulbs for day light bulbs. They actually give a brighter appearance on camera and just make the whole room feel brighter. I was able to pick these up at, I believe it was Dollar Tree. So yeah, guys, you can get lucky and find these day light bulbs at Dollar Tree. So right now I'm going to go in with this crud cutter kitchen degreaser. It is all purpose, so I do use it in other places in my home. Right now I'm just wiping down the walls because we are going to give this room a good paint job. And sometimes the lint or dust sticks to the walls, so I just kind of want a smoother surface.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, 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 wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
So we'll be using the brand Valspar on the walls today. This is the Valspar medallion. It is in a cool gray, and this is the color that we have throughout our home mostly. I did pick this up at our local hardware store. I originally got this color by the brand Bear from Home Depot, but they didn't have it at our local hardware store, so we did have to go with Valspar. We've used it before and it matches up identically. I do suggest and recommend it because it doesn't have a strong odor. Yeah, and again, it is something that I do recommend. It's gonna come out so pretty in the end, guys. I just hope y'all stick around to the end to see it, guys. It's so pretty. And right here, two of my kiddos popped in to help me paint, guys. They were kind of going crazy with it, but I didn't mind. It's a memory for them. It's a memory for me. Again, this is the brand Valspar, and I will leave the formula in the description box. So this is how it came out, guys. I did get a couple of spots on the ceiling, but okay, we're just gonna roll with it. I'll fix it later.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in.
These wire baskets are from At Home. I paid $12.99 each for both. And the black and white chevron print basket that I will show you next is from Tuesday Morning. I did catch a deal for that. I think it was $6. And these other baskets are from Target. The cleaning caddy and the laundry tins are from Walmart. They are the Better Home and Garden brand. And I actually love these guys. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for them, but they were really affordable. If I do find them, I'll link them below. And these clear jars came from the thrift store. I think I paid $1 each for them.
Do anything to be in your arms again.
And I did get these baskets from TJ Maxx for $12.99 when they first opened up. So these Hearth and Hand boxes right here, I was able to find at our local Dirt Cheap, as well as the wooden frame and the rug runner. If you don't know what Dirt Cheap is, guys, I recommend that you look it up and find you one that's closest to you. They have really good deals. This sign I got from Kirkland's. I think I paid about $12 for it. I can't remember. This Mom's Laundry Service sign I did order from Amazon, and I will link that below. Here's my stash of microband, guys. My mom got me buying this stuff. Whenever I see it, I grab it. If I see it online, I'll order it. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep us stocked up, guys, because we don't know how long COVID will be around. So I just want to keep my family safe.
That I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Say something meaningful. Say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
I first saw these laundry tins on Shanti's Lifestyles channel, and when I saw them, I instantly knew they would be perfect for this makeover. And I will be sure to link Shanti's channel below.
Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Beautiful, baby. You're beautiful. going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue. Those colorful eyes, they don't shine like they used to. The city don't want us, babe. We won't survive this place. The city don't want this. The city don't want this. And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home. Like home. Home. Feel like home. A faded mind. So we stay.
Hey, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking around. Please go ahead and hit the like button and leave me a heart in the comments to let me know that you're still here. This helps my channel to grow. And also, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button.
We got a tendency to fading out underwater. Yeah, are we losing touch? Are we falling? And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home. Like home. Home. Feel like home. A faded mind. So we stay blind. Oh, the city don't
I hope this video has given you inspiration and motivation to tackle your laundry space or other areas in your home. Yeah guys, so this is it. I am just blown away at how beautiful this laundry room makeover came out. I do feel like it's kind of Pinterest worthy. If you agree with me, go ahead and let me know in the comments. So this is it for the video. Thank you all for sticking around. Once again, please hit that subscribe button and also give me a follow on Instagram. Until next time, bye guys.